Jai Gurudev students, a very good morning to all of you and a very happy new year. Students, today I will explain you chapter 6 Industries and their distribution. Students, in this chapter, first I will explain you about the term industry. What is industry, Students, industry is a unit, or we can say is a place where the raw material convert into finished goods, okay, or where we process the process of production, right? That is, here we can say that it is written that we have studied about the various resources in the last chapter of geography, and that resources were very useful for human beings. So, while processing such resources, we can produce goods and services which fulfill the needs of the humans. For example, I will take example of a television, suppose. Okay, it is a good which fulfill the human needs, and the example of clothes, example of machines, TV, fridge, refrigerator, all these things are made in industry only. Okay, so industry is termed as where we just gone through the process of production and the raw material convert into the finished goods. Okay, now in this chapter we will study about the industries and how the industries are distributed, about their distribution. Okay, so first we'll come to the classification of industries, that is based on the size. What do you mean by the term size, student? Size means the capital invested on it. मतलब जितना मनी उस इंडस्ट्री में इन्वेस्ट हुआ है उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो हमने डिवीजन कर रखा है इंडस्ट्रीज़ का, वी आर studying that only. Okay, so first the classification on the basis of size is that the small scale industry and the large scale industry. So first I will explain you about the small scale industry. What is small scale industry, student? Small scale industry is that industry in which the process of manufacturing, repairing and the process of converting raw material into finished goods, all these processes, all the investments comes under rupees only 10 crores. Means जिस भी इंडस्ट्री का टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट 10 करोड़ होगा, 10 करोड़ रुपीस होगा, that industries comes under small scale industry. Okay, now small scale industries means we can say that these industries were opened in the backward regions or in the rural areas just to uplift that area and just to use the resources of that area properly. Jute industry, small scale industries and some cottage industry, all these industries are comes under the small scale industry. Okay, now we have some more examples of small scale industries, okay, that we'll see later. Now about the large scale industry. In the large scale industries, student, all these processes, okay, that is manufacturing, repairing, processing and the conversion of raw material into finished goods, all these processing done under the more than the investment of the 10 crores. That is, in such industry the investment is more than the 10 crores, which means when the industries have the total investment more than the 10 crore, that industry comes under large scale industry. How they get the investment more than 10 crore? Because they are using heavy machines, new improved technology. So by getting all these expenses, the investment is usually more than 10 crores. We can say the example of large scale industry is sugar industry, textile industry, now where the manufacturing of tools, that is manufacturing of cars, tractors, truck. So all these heavy, where the heavy machines is being used, that comes under large scale industry. We can say that where the improved technology or the more machines, heavy machines is being used, more the capital invested is more than 10 crore, all are the features of the large scale industry. Okay, now we will see the certain examples of small scale industry as well as the large scale industry. Okay, now that is for a small scale industry, underline all these things, that is handicraft, handloom, jewelry, all these things comes under small scale industry. And for large scale industry, we can say, as I have already told you, that is cement, fertilizer, petrochemical, banking, sugar industry, all these things are all these industries are comes under large scale industry. Okay, now the next classification we will do in the next class. Okay, Jai Guru.